Yeah, I used that today to show my funny videos. Yeah, funny. Alright. First. Alright. This is me and green. Well, hi guys. We testing our strength. Come on, you go first. Just so stupid. I don't care. See the structure. I'm gonna drive first. And I missed it. Told you can do it. Of course I can. I'm big and strong. That's mine. So I told you can do it either. Of course I can. Let's use this stupid monkey as a mice. Yeah. I did it. Yeah, he did it. Who did it? The monkey. That's Mike. Who's that? The other birds are still so scared about you. But never mind, that's okay, we know. Yeah, it was just... Alright, I can come with you. Wait, that's sucking. You're not gonna... Of course I'm not. Not again. Now let's see if you're strong. I'm not strong anymore. Please, I swear. Alright, I know I had enough of you. Seriously. Alright, you would see the other videos, click here. Bye now.